From time to time, it's going to be necessary to help your clients reconnect to their financial institutions inside of Ledgersync. Now, we found that 90% of the time when an institution disconnects, it usually has to do with the username and password it's either been updated and they forgot to tell you, or the financial institution is asking them to make that update. So we've actually done our best inside of Ledgersync to try to make the process of notifying your clients that they need to do these updates as simple as possible. Let's show you the different ways this can be done. So inside of Ledgersync, if you are on a client and you're looking at the different institutions, if you ever see this button up in the top corner here that says text client to fix, this is because there's been something that caused the connection to fail and we need to re-update those details. Now the nice thing is, when you set up your client initially, if you established the phone number with them and the ability to send them SMS text messages, you can just click that button and it will send them a text message. That will actually be good for up to 2 days for them to go through, update the details, and automatically fix everything for you inside Ledgersync. Now, we've also been building out our Client Communication Center. What this is doing is, it used to be back in the day, you'd come in here, about a week before it would be time to process everything for month end, and you'd go kind of just double check, make sure everything was connected appropriately, that you don't have these text client to fix type things happening anywhere. Well, you'd have to go kind of client by client to do it. So we've gone in and we've established this client communication area that's going to let you know all of the different clients that are connected, and if there's any of the errors that basically are happening, so you can click one button and notify your clients of any ones that need to be corrected. The messaging that's used, you can actually use different templates onto this and customize them yourself. And we found this to be important because it gives you the ability, you can put your own name onto it, the name of your company, so they know it's not a spam type thing that's coming out to them. So if you had a larger list of clients here that were having some issues, all you'd have to do is come in and click on the Notify Clients. It's going to then pull up your list. You'll be able to check it off. It'll tell you which institution it is. Click your Next. Choose which of your templates you want to go through here. And we're going to actually have these placeholders like the URL for them to go log directly into, the name of the company being your company, so forth. Hit Next, and then be able to click and send the notification. So once this goes through, it's going to process, and I've got it set up on purpose now to my dial pad. And what it's going to look like, it's at the very bottom here, it says Ledgersync on behalf of Ledgersync, because we did it this way on the demo account, is trying to connect to your bank but encountered a broken bank connection. Please click on the URL to securely fix your bank connection. So they would click on the link. It would then automatically pull up the page they need to be able to add in their security credentials, username, password, basically update all those details and be able to come right back in, and Ledgersync will be fixed after that. So this new functionality, we're really doing our best to make sure to streamline the process, eliminate the headache of trying to notify clients one at a time. Be sure to check out the new Client Communication Center. And if you have any additional questions, reach out to our team at any time.